Yo, shit, though, I'm at the trap, you know what I mean? See, motherfuckers got this shit boarded down and all that, man. Yo, fuck it, though, you know what I mean? Fuck it, though, we gonna get this shit poppin', man. Niggas, yo, try to end my career early, but, yo, I'm on the block, man, straight up, getting high as hell. Shit with my niggas and shit. You know what I mean? Holding it down. They had me, fucked up for a minute, but, you know what I mean? I'm back, I'm telling you, yo. Got a chance to clear my mind, yo. You know what I mean? My man hit me up. Said that the thing was like, yo, trying to do this interview. I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to do this interview, man. See, I'm back on the block with the roachy, you know what I mean?
Yo, them bitches was asking about you, them white bitches. They was like, yo, what's up with fingers?
The white bitches?
Mm-hmm.
No, I ain't trying to roll with the white bitches, though, man. Straight up.
Alright.
I ain't trying to fuck with the white bitches. I mean, I'm trying to get right, though.
Mm-hmm.
Talking about some money. I ain't talking about, man, no bitches right now. Fuck bitches to get money. Stick to the script, you feel me? Shit. That's how we do it, yo. We fuck bitches, get money. You know what I mean? Not literally fuck bitches, but we fuck bitches and get money. Don't give a fuck about bitches. They get money, you know what I mean? That's what we do. You know what I mean? So ain't no bitch say nothing about what, what fingers gotta do and shit like that. I mean, I don't give a fuck, yo. I'm on the block. I'm on the track. Track fucked up right now, man. I swear to God. They got the track fucked up. See the niggas come through and board it up every month they board the track up, man. You seen the color of this shit is money green. Gonna get this shit bobbing, yo, straight up, man. This is about to be real, man. Boy, about to be out here, man. On the disc, I'm telling you. Man, straight up. You know what I mean? It's things. Still got the website joint popping. Corey1Buffalo at yahoo.com. You know what I mean? The man Corey, this Ray Sean, you know what I mean? Holla at me, yo. Shit. Man, we're doing big things on MV, CDY, True Belt Productions, FBP, O Block, Rep.